welcome back to our channel. So we thought we'd bring you guys along. We're gonna do a little DoorDash, and we thought we'd bring you guys along. Today's Sunday afternoon. They're doing a campaign. They're paying with $3 more till 5:30, from 3:30 to 5:30. Are you ready to go make that money?
Yes, let's do it.
So this is just a little side hustle we do, and it's fun. The rain has stopped, so it's a little chilly, but it's still good, and we're gonna go make some money. So first place we're going is to pick up some pizzas. So let's bring you guys along, and I'll kind of film the app and show you guys a little bit. Right, so here is the first order. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go, or my husband's gonna go pick up some pizzas and some breadsticks, and we will go deliver it. It's really close by. He's gonna go inside, and hopefully the pizza will be done. Usually it tells you what time the order should be done. I didn't look, but we do have a pizza bag for pizzas, and that always gives us like extra deliveries, especially on the weekend. So it looks like we're waiting 5 minutes, and I figured because this is really close by our house, and I was pretty sure it wasn't going to be ready. So 5 minutes is not too bad. Sometimes they say 5 minutes and it's like 10, but hopefully it's only 5 minutes, and then we can go deliver. So here he comes. He's got the pizza and the breadsticks, and he's gonna pop them in the back. So we are about 2.3 miles away from the customer to deliver the pizza and breadsticks. So easy money, and I'll show you guys what the total will be at the end, because sometimes they say that they pay you like, let's say $7.75 or something like that, and then it'll end up being like 13 or whatever. Last night we went and we made $162 in 4 hours and a half, or 4 hours, something like that. It was paid pretty good, very good deliveries, and yeah, it's just some extra cash, you know, nothing life-changing, but you know, it's always good. It adds up at the end of the week or at the end of the month. It can add up just depending on how much you hustle. You can make, we've made even up to a little over 1,000 in a week. So it just depends, you know, how much you want to work.
Did you leave the order at their door? They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
So the GPS, we just got here. Go get the pizza. And then it has like specific instructions, and then like the app will basically read it to you. But this customer is just leave at the door, which most orders are. You don't even have to see the customer or anything. So I'm gonna give him the phone. All he has to do is take a picture when he's there, and then I'll show you the total. He did that. We used the picture, and so it was $5.75. The customer did not tip on this one, but it still wasn't bad. Just a little over 2 miles, so 2.5 miles, $5.75. Not bad. So it did have the $3 extra pay, and then the base pay, which is like not very much. So it's showing that we are in a hot zone, which means it's busy around here. So we are going to drive where the restaurants are, and which is just around the corner, and then wait for another order. So while we were driving to Little Caesars, I got another order from another restaurant that's literally around the corner for another almost $10 for an additional 5 miles, which is kind of a lot of miles, but since it's around the corner, I figured it shouldn't be too bad. So this order, we'll see if it's gonna be more or not, but because you never know until you like finish the order if they add more tip or not. But it's really not bad. It's a total of 3 miles from where we were to delivery for just under $10. So that's really good, and it looks like the pizza's done. Just picking it up. So what they do at Little Caesars is they give you like a little code in that machine, and they give you the code in the instructions, and it's super easy. You just grab it and put it in your pizza bag, and then he will double check to make sure that everything is on there. It had, I think, like 5 items or something like that, and sometimes those are like sauces, so he'll just double check that everything is in there, and then we will head on to our next. So we just delivered a pizza, and that's what I'm talking about. It was $12.94, so a lot higher than what I thought it was going to be. So we are going to move on to the next delivery. So I just did my delivery. That was $14.50, you guys. That was supposed to be another $9.75, and it was $14.50. So we are just under an hour. We're at 55 minutes, and we've made $33.19. Say hi, Noah. Noah's with us. So super easy. You guys saw they say that they're going to be paid one amount, and a lot of times it's a lot higher. It's never less. It's always higher, if anything, or the actual amount. So super happy about that. We are going back to our hotspot and see what else we can get. So sometimes they give you, not sometimes, a lot of times they do give you crappy orders. They want us to go 10 miles, 0.7 for $11.25. That is not worth it. Sorry, it's so bumpy, and we're just gonna let that expire. $9.75. We're gonna go ahead and accept that. So this order contains alcohol, and the app will tell you to go ahead and scan
Head north towards southeast
the person's
192nd Avenue.
ID when you get to the house, and we will. All right, just as I thought, instead of $9.75, it was $12.25. And we are done. Let's move on to the next one. So we started at 3:30 and it is 4:52 and we are at $45.44. So not bad at all. And we have a couple deliveries done.
Oh yeah.
So it's going by fast, and yeah, we'll just keep on dashing. So I think it's been like a whole 10 seconds since I showed you guys the other clip. We got an order for 4.3 miles for $11.50 from Little Caesars. We're gonna go ahead and take it. As I expected, that was higher than anticipated. Should have been $11.50 and it was $14. So right now they gave us 2 orders, a total of 5.6 miles of $18. We're gonna go ahead and we just finished delivering the first out of those 2 orders, and that was $10. And they picking up, both restaurants were in the same parking lot. So we are out to go and deliver. We just completed the other orders, so we actually ended up making more than $18. We made $20.76 on these 2 orders. All right, so it is 5:59, almost 6 o'clock. We started at 3:30, and our total is $80.54. The promotion for $3 extra a delivery ended at 5:30. But we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep it on for a little bit longer and see if we get any good orders. If not, we're gonna close it off for tonight, but we will see if it's worth keeping it on or not. So we just picked an order up right after I said that we're gonna see if we get any good orders, maybe after 2 minutes, and I think they're bringing it out already at Applebee's. I want to show you guys, you don't even get out of your car, so you just park, call them, and I had to turn off my phone because he was literally walking out. I was just on the phone with him, and like a minute later he already brought the food. So we're gonna go deliver this. It's around 3 miles for $6.75, and of course it was a lot more. $9.25, easy money. All right, so we just got an order at Taco Bell, 2 miles, $6. Let's get it. $6 for the 2 miles. This order. Right, so we got a couple bad orders, and I just kept declining them, and now we have 2.3 miles for $7.75. So that delivery was more, and while I was waiting for the pizza to be done, we had to wait about 3 minutes. Literally right next door, we got a boba tea, and it's only $3. That means usually those are not tipped, and it was only 2 miles. So let's go deliver that. This $3 delivery, but it was close by. Normally I don't take this low, but because it was literally next door and close by, I took it. So my dash just ended, and we made $108.86. It is 7:08, and we started at 3:30, and that's not bad for tonight. So my goal was $100, and we have definitely. It's telling us that we can still dash because it's super busy, but right now this delivery actually brought us next to a Dollar Tree, and it is Spirit Week for the kiddos, the little ones at school. So we are going to hop in there, and I need to get them like a Santa hat. Hopefully I can find one, because that's what they need to wear tomorrow. And then like one of the days they have to wear like a Christmassy socks. So I'm hoping to find those 2 items, and I'm just going to take advantage of that, and then maybe we'll get back on and dash some more. We'll see. Do you want to dash some more, or you want to go home after?
It's up to you.
It's up to me. Okay, we'll see. We'll see how I feel once I get out of Dollar Tree. So just left Dollar Tree, and I turned on DoorDash again, and we are delivering about 5 miles for $8, and I spent about 18 something at Dollar Tree. I found the Santa hats, some candy, the socks, some more candy, and that's about it. Oh yeah, and then I got them the little necklace Christmas lights that they can wear when they wear their like Christmas shirt and stuff, and yeah. So around 18 and some change, and now we're back at it. All right, this paid out even more, $9.25. So we are home. We did that one more delivery and then we came home. So just a few minutes shy of 4 hours is what we dashed, and we made $118 and some change. So quite a lot less than we did yesterday. So yesterday was Saturday night and we made $162 and some change. And so depending on the day, where you dash, and how many deliveries, I guess, are out there is how much you're going to make. You never know. You can make a certain amount one Saturday and make a different amount the next Saturday. So I know that what we made today is going to look different if you start dashing in your area. Every area is different, but go out there and try it if you've never tried it before. It's super easy. It's super fun. If you have someone to go with dashing, it's a lot better than going by yourself. But even going by yourself, it's not bad. I've done that plenty of times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more dash alongs. And if you do, we'll bring you guys along because we've been doing this quite a bit. All right, till next time. Bye-bye.